Good morning, Lily. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Jackson. Yes, I slept well. How about you?
I slept well too. I feel calm today.
That is nice. A calm morning feels good.
Yes, let's start our day slowly and peacefully.
I like slow mornings. I do not like to rush.
Me too. I wake up at 6:30 today. The room was quiet and fresh.
6:30 is early. I wake up at 7. My alarm rings and I want to sleep again.
That happens to me too. Sometimes I press snooze one more time.
After I wake up, I sit in bed for 1 minute. I take a deep breath and look at the window.
That sounds peaceful. I stretch my arms and legs first. Stretching helps my body wake up.
Yes, stretching feels good. My body feels light after that.
Then I drink a full glass of water. It makes me feel fresh.
I usually drink coffee first. Maybe I should try water tomorrow.
Water is simple but very good for the body.
After that, what do you do?
I go to the bathroom and wash my face with cold water. Cold water wakes me up quickly.
I like warm water. It feels soft and gentle.
Warm water feels relaxing. Maybe I will try warm water tomorrow.
We can change our routine a little.
Yes, small changes are good. After washing my face, I brush my teeth slowly.
I brush my teeth and look in the mirror. I smile and tell myself, today will be a good day.
That is very positive. I like that.
A good thought in the morning makes the whole day better.
After getting ready, I go to the kitchen. I feel a little hungry in the morning.
Me too. What do you eat for breakfast today?
Today, I eat toast with peanut butter and a banana. I also drink green tea.
That sounds healthy. I eat bread and eggs. I fry the eggs a little.
Eggs are good for energy. They keep you full for a long time.
Yes, they do. I also drink a small cup of coffee. Not too strong.
Strong coffee is scary.
Yes, my heart beats very fast.
While I eat, I think about my tasks for the day. I do not check my phone too much.
I check my messages quickly, but I try not to spend too much time on my phone.
That is smart. Too much phone in the morning makes me tired.
After breakfast, I clean the table and wash the dishes.
I do the same. A clean kitchen feels nice.
Yes, it makes the house feel fresh.
Then I take a shower. I like morning showers. They make me feel ready.
I like showers too. Sometimes I sing a little.
Really?
Yes, but only when I am alone.
That is funny. Music makes mornings happy.
After my shower, I choose my clothes for work. Sometimes it is easy, sometimes it is hard.
I understand. I stand in front of my clothes and think for 2 minutes.
Same here.
When I am ready, I leave the house. The morning air feels cool and fresh.
I like the fresh air in the morning. It feels clean.
I walk slowly and look at the sky. The sky looks soft and blue.
That sounds beautiful. I take the bus to work. I listen to soft music on the way.
Music makes the trip better.
Yes, it makes me feel calm before work.
When I arrive at the office, I sit at my desk and turn on my computer.
Do you check your emails first?
Yes, I check my emails and reply to the important ones.
Sometimes there are many emails. It feels a little stressful.
That is true. I answer them one by one, slowly and carefully.
That is a good way.
After emails, I prepare my tasks for the day. I write them in a notebook.
Writing tasks helps me stay organized.
Yes, it helps me focus.
Do you take breaks during work?
Yes, every hour I stand up and stretch a little.
That is healthy. Sitting too long makes my back hurt.
Moving the body is important.
Around 10 o'clock, I feel a little hungry.
Me too. I eat a small snack, like nuts or fruit.
That is light and healthy. I drink water again.
Drinking water during the day keeps me active.
Work feels easier when I take small breaks.
Yes, short breaks help the mind rest.
At noon, it is lunchtime.
By noon, I am very hungry.
What do you eat for lunch today?
Today, I eat rice and vegetables, simple and light.
That sounds good. I eat soup and bread.
Soup feels warm and relaxing.
Yes, especially on a cool day.
After lunch, I walk for 5 minutes. It helps my body digest food.
That is a good idea. I sit for a few minutes and relax.
The afternoon feels slower than the morning.
Yes, sometimes I feel a little sleepy.
I drink water and take a deep breath. Then I continue my work.
I listen to soft music. It helps me focus.
Music makes work more enjoyable.
Yes, it does.
In the afternoon, I finish my important tasks first.
That makes the end of the day easier.
Yes, when I finish my tasks, my mind feels light.
I like that feeling.
Around 5 o'clock, I prepare to leave the office.
Do you feel tired at that time?
A little tired, but also happy because the work is done.
That is a good feeling.
I check my emails one last time and turn off my computer.
Then you go home?
Yes, I walk home slowly. The evening air feels cooler.
I like evenings. The sky looks beautiful at sunset.
The colors in the sky look soft and warm.
It feels peaceful after a long day.
Yes, peaceful and calm.
What do you do when you arrive home?
First, I change into comfortable clothes. Tight clothes feel uncomfortable after work.
Comfortable clothes feel so good.
Then I sit down for a few minutes and relax. I drink a glass of water.
That is refreshing.
After resting, I start preparing dinner.
What do you cook in the evening?
Something simple like noodles or rice with vegetables. Not too heavy.
Light food at night is better.
Yes, heavy food makes me sleepy and tired.
That is true.
After cooking, I eat slowly and enjoy every bite.
Eating slowly feels nice.
Yes, no rush in the evening.
The evening should be calm.
I agree. After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
Cleaning first helps you relax later.
Exactly. A clean space makes me feel peaceful.
Then what do you do?
After I clean the kitchen, I finally sit down on the sofa and relax.
That must feel good after a long day.
Yes, it does. I take a deep breath and stretch my legs. My body feels tired, but my mind feels calm.
I like that quiet time in the evening. It feels peaceful.
Me too. Sometimes I sit near the window and look outside. The sky looks darker and the city feels slower.
Evenings feel softer than mornings. The air is cooler and quieter.
Yes, I like to enjoy that moment. I do not want to rush.
Do you check your phone at that time?
Only for a few minutes. I reply to important messages, but I do not scroll too much.
That is a good habit. Too much phone makes my eyes tired.
Exactly. I try to use my phone for only 10 or 15 minutes.
After that, what do you do?
Sometimes I listen to soft music. Calm music helps me relax.
What kind of music do you like at night?
I like soft piano music. It feels gentle and peaceful.
That sounds nice. I like slow songs too. They make me feel calm.
While listening to music, I sometimes stretch my body again.
Stretching at night?
Yes, light stretching. It helps my body feel relaxed before sleep.
That is smart. I should try that.
You can try simple stretches for 5 minutes. It is easy.
After dinner, I usually sit with my family and talk.
That sounds lovely. Talking with family feels warm.
Yes, we talk about our day. We laugh sometimes.
Laughing at night feels good.
It removes stress from the day.
Sometimes I watch a short, funny show.
Not a long movie?
No, just one short episode. I do not want to sleep too late.
That is wise. Watching too much TV makes me sleepy and tired the next day.
Yes, sleep is very important.
What time do you start getting ready for bed?
Around 10 o'clock. I like to sleep at 10:30.
That is a good time. I try to sleep around 10 or 10:30 too.
Before bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face again.
Same here. A clean face feels fresh.
Yes, it helps me feel ready for sleep.
Do you think about tomorrow before sleeping?
A little. I think about 2 or 3 important things for tomorrow. Not too many.
That is good. Too much thinking makes sleep difficult.
Exactly. I keep my thoughts simple and light.
Sometimes I say thank you for my day before sleeping.
That is beautiful. Being thankful makes the heart calm.
Yes, even simple days are special.
I agree. A simple day with small good habits is a happy day.
When you lie in bed, what do you do?
I take slow, deep breaths. I close my eyes and relax my body.
Deep breathing feels peaceful.
Yes, it helps my mind become quiet.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Most days, yes, because I follow my routine.
A good routine makes life easier.
That is true. Morning routine and night routine are both important.
When I sleep on time, I feel more energetic the next morning.
Me too. Waking up early feels easier when I sleep well.
So the day begins and ends peacefully.
Yes, from morning to night.
I like that idea. Live slowly, live simply.
Yes, slowly but happily.
Tomorrow morning, we wake up again and start fresh.
A new day, new energy, new chances.
I feel motivated when I think like that.
Me too. Every day is a new opportunity.
Even small steps are important.
Yes, small good habits change life slowly.
Drink water, eat healthy, work calmly, rest well.
And smile often.
Yes, smiling is very important.
I try to smile more even on busy days.
That makes you feel positive.
Exactly. Positive thoughts create a peaceful mind.
I will follow a better routine from tomorrow.
Start small. Do not change everything at once.
Yes, step by step.
First, wake up on time,
Then drink water,
eat a healthy breakfast,
work with focus.
take small breaks,
Enjoy lunch calmly.
finish work peacefully,
Relax in the evening.
sleep on time.
That sounds like a perfect simple day.
A simple day is enough for a happy life.
I agree.
Now it is late.
Yes, the night feels very quiet.
I am going to sleep soon.
Me too.
Good night. Sleep well and dream peacefully.
Good night. See you tomorrow morning for another fresh start.
Yes, another calm and beautiful day.
Step by step, day by day.
Slowly, peacefully, happily.
Yes, happily.